In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use Movenote as a team to create a narrated presentation. You can add a presentation that has a movie, a view, or you can just do a narrated presentation. So the first thing you'll do is come to Movenote. It's at www.movenote.com. Click into Movenote. And when you begin, you'll need to come over here and select this option. What you'll want to do is create an account that you and your group can share. So if you click this last option, I'm going to click here, a little pop-up occurs. Somebody will need to enter in their email address and a password that you'll need to share with the group. And choose sign in. This will sign you right in to the account. Choose sign in. And as you see here, sign in again. Oops. Okay, I've already actually signed in with Facebook, which is probably why it's not allowing me to do this. So it already has me as a member. But this is the screen that you will see when you do log in, and as you see, it begins with the video. So if you don't want to have video, just click Disable Video. That'll just disable your camera, and then here you can choose to add your slides. Now if you've created your presentation in PowerPoint, all you need to do is save that presentation as a PDF, and you can upload it here. As you see, you can add slides that are PDF or images. So what you might do is you might actually decide just to use kind of plainer images. I'm going to choose Open, and I've added a slide, and the slide is this image. So I'll just choose to continue to add slides. And if you want, like I said, you can also do this using PowerPoint. Just save your PowerPoint as a PDF. I recommend not using any animations or sliding text and keeping it more basic. And then you can just choose File, Save As, and it's going to save it. Now, when you're ready to begin recording your narration, if you just want to do voiceover, just come over here to the Start Recording button and click it. When you click it, it'll count down, and then it'll begin recording. So you can now do your voiceover, explaining what your slide is about and giving some context. When you're done with your narration, just choose the red circle again, and it will stop recording. If you want to redo this, just click Start Over to re-record that narration. Now to go to the next slide, come up here and choose the button to advance to the next slide. You can also see here, there's a reorder area. If you want, you can drag and drop to reorder your slides, or you can drag down to delete a slide if you'd like. Just choose Save Changes when you're done. For those of you who want to do a slide and a video, you'll need to choose Enable Camera, and you'll need to have a laptop that has a camera enabled on it. So here, I simply choose the Start Recording button, and I can go ahead and begin my presentation and also discuss the slide at the same time, which is a nice feature. When I'm done again, I simply choose the red button and it stops recording. When you've finished, and each of you can come in and add a slide to this presentation and do your own part of the narration, which is nice. Choose Done. I'm going to disable my camera and I'm going to choose Done. This will finalize the presentation, and you'll get an option to recommend. I'll choose Later, and it'll begin putting the recording all together and converting it into a video all in one. So it only takes a few minutes here. I have a smaller presentation, so also for your team members. Okay, so here I just click play. Begin recording, so you can now do your voiceover explaining what your slide is about and giving some context. When you're done with So I'm going to choose pause. I'm going to go to the next slide. Oh, I guess I need to click here. I'm going to click 2. For narration, just choose the red circle. And I can go ahead and begin my presentation. So as you see, it shows both areas, which is nice. Now if you want to share your presentation, you simply copy the link. And now you can go to the D2L course site, enter into the discussion area, and you can post this link for your other classmates to view. You also have an option to download it as well. The other thing that you'll need to do is when each of you log in to this shared account, you'll click on the archive to reach your shared presentation. So you'll only probably have one, and when you want to add your own narration or you're adding your part of the group slides, just click Options and choose Edit Slides. And then you'll be in the edit mode where you can come back in, add more slides if you want, make more narrations, and do your part of the presentation. When you're all done, you can just go ahead and log out. I think it's a great tool, and it's completely free to use, and it makes it really easy to share a presentation and create a group presentation.